Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I would like to share with you my experience trying to package my first client's wig. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the wig that I prepared for my client. I have a video coming soon of like how I created it, so just keep an eye out for that. So right here, I'm just taking the wig off of the wig stand, and I'm just showing you the straps that are on the inside so it can be like glueless. And this is from the manufacturer. It wasn't something that I did, and it's like Velcro that sticks it together. So hopefully she'll like it. And right here I'm putting on a hairnet. I wasn't sure if I should pin curl the hair or not, because everybody's going for that loose wavy look. So that was the intention behind not pin curling it. And right here I'm stuffing the head full of tissues because I wanted to keep its shape. Right here is the box I purchased on papermart.com. Okay, so I also purchased this little bag from Papermart as well. So I'm going to show you all the things I'm going to put into the bag. Right here is the lashes that I always use in my videos. I absolutely love these by J.Lo. This is some caps, beige caps that I purchased off of Amazon. There's 2 in there. This is a scarf that I had gotten from a purchase I made from a wig company. And here are some melting headbands, and you put it on your hairline to like make sure that the lace melts in with your scalp. So I'm not going to give her all 4 of these. I'm just going to give her like 1. I was thinking about getting packaging for that, but the time was like running out, so I just hurry up. I didn't have time to do that, so I just did this video instead. So right here I'm just showing you the Velcro backing they have on here. On the videos and pictures they have for the advertisement, people are putting it in the back. Me personally, when I tried it, I do not put it in the back. I put it in the front so it don't snag my hair in the back of my neck. So just putting that in a little bag right there. Here are some cards, which I'm going to end up having to get some new ones because that address is no longer correct. Well, at least at the time of this video. So I'm just showing you the front and the back. Right here it says 5x5 lace closure wig. Ombre from a dark brown to ash blonde. Okay, so they have all the 14-inch and stuff like that. So I also got that that tag from Vistaprint, and that little tag gun, I got that from Amazon. So right here I'm noticing like the box is a little bit too small. But anyway, I think it makes sure that it's secure and it doesn't like bounce all over the place. So here is my my thank you card, and I wrote a little something on the back. And here is my business cards, and I'm going to put that into an envelope. I had gotten all of this from Vistaprint, and I did my little design online, and I'm not licking the envelope, so I'm just going to leave it like that and stuff like that. So just going to put that on the top here. It's my little thank you card. And I'm going to close up the box. And to make sure that the box doesn't open during transit, I'm just going to tape the very front. Not anything too fancy or anything like that. So just use one thing of tape and tape that up. And I'm going to put that in my United States Postal Service medium flat rate box. And that's how I packaged my first ever client wig. Okay, so some things that I would like to change according to this, well, from what I did with this experience, is that I think those boxes are a little bit too small, and I may just use the box from the Postal Service. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. And next time I think I'm going to just pin curl the hair regardless of whether or not it's supposed to be wavy afterwards. But that's just me thinking out loud. If you notice anything that I should correct, then you let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate some feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.